Hey, yo, welcome back. So you want to know how I went from this to this. Come closer. So getting props for your studio setup can be so tasking and expensive. You know how props can be so expensive, right? They are quite expensive to purchase. So here is how to get this done, okay? So make sure you are shooting on a tripod. Right? Make sure your camera is on a tripod and it is not shaking. And make sure to shoot on a plain background in your room. All right? You don't need to break a bank for that. So after setting up your tripod, your camera, right, make sure not to make too much body movement and hand movement because of what we are going to do at the end of this video, right? So you can decide to use any software of your choice to edit your video, but I want to use Capcut because it is quite easy and kind of easy to use and flexible, and it still has some free features. Okay, all right, so head over to Capcut and just do your basic editing that you do normally for your video. Okay, just color grade, cuts. Make sure to do your editing before any other thing else, right? So make sure to remove the unnecessary pauses and the mistakes that you made while recording. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and speed up this process. I'll go ahead and speed up this process a little bit. So I'll just add a little bit of contrast, exposure. All right, make sure to color grade, cut your videos before going ahead. All right, so you look for any frame of your choice in the video that you love to use. So I think I love this frame, so I'll go over to my top here, click on this menu bar right here, click on export still frames. Okay, then I'll export as PNG. All right, export as PNG. All right, so I'll go over to my Google Chrome. I'll go over to firefly.adobe.com right there. So I'll give it time to open. All right, and here we are. So I'll scroll down. I'll go over to this generate, right? This generate right here. This generate view. Okay, so I'll click on generate with my arrow key. Sorry, with my bracket key, my keyboard. All right, then I'll brush over the area I want to add the fake background. All right, I'll quickly erase them like this. Just drag on the area you. All right, and I'll go over and erase this side too. I'll erase this side. All right, and this is the free version, and the free version comes with watermark. Don't worry, I'll show you how to hide the watermark at the end of this video. All right, so I think I'm good here. I'll reduce my brush size like this. All right, and just brush over here like so. All right, so let's say you made a mistake to brush over the area you don't want to brush over like this, right? What you need to do is just come over to subtract here, all right, and brush over that place back, okay, to add that selection. All right, so after doing this, I have a prompt that I already typed. Let me quickly paste it here. So add a book, shelf, plants, and a table reading lamp to this background. Okay, so let me click on generate. You can decide to add any prompt of your choice. You can say add an award shelf, add a lamp, just any prompt of your choice, anything you would want to see in the background. Okay, just put in the prompt there and allow Adobe Fly do its thing. Great, so see what we have here. All right, you see what we have here. So I think I like this bookshelf, all right, but I don't like this lantern here, so I'm going to go over and tap keep. All right, then I'll go over to add again. Now I want to erase this lantern here, so I'll increase my brush size. Okay, and erase this lamp here. All right, erase the lamp here. Okay, so I'll add the particular kind of bracket to use to increase and reduce your brush size in the description. Okay, So let me come over here and say add a beautiful lamp. I'll click on generate. Let's see what we're going to have there. All right, so we have some lantern, some kind of lamp there. All right, so you see them right there. So any one of your choice. I think I like this one. So let me quickly use this one. So I'll go over to download this image here. So I'll go over to download and click download. All right, so I'll go ahead and import the image I just downloaded from Firefly, right? The background we just added now. So here it is. I'll import it to my Capcut. All right, then I'll drag it inside my frame, inside my timeline, like so. Now I'll quickly adjust this, right? I'll adjust it to the end of my timeline. All right, to the very end of my timeline. Okay, I'll adjust this to the end and to the beginning. All right, then I will drag my original clip, my video. I'll drag it up. I'll take to the top of this this image here. All right, then with my original clip selected, right, I'll go over to mask. I'll tap on mask. Then I'll select rectangle mask. Okay, rectangle mask, like so, right? Then see the magic right here. So I'll quickly adjust this one like so, and adjust this one. I'll make sure it is covering my entire body. All right, that's why I said you should not make too much hand movement. All right, don't make too much hand movement while doing this. All right, so let's play this and see what we have. All right, so come on, play. Okay, so you can see that our video is playing very well with. Okay, my system is kind of lagging now. I don't have a lot of space in my PC. All right, so you see we have this background right there, right? Pretty nice. Now, how do we cover this? How do we cover this Adobe Firefly watermark that is here? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select both image like this. Hold down my command, right click, and create compound clip. All right, create compound clip, and then scale it all the way. But now you can see that I'm losing a lot of information, right? So I don't want this, so I'm going to command Z. All right, I'm going to command Z and add text to this watermark that is here. So I'll go over to tests. Either you add tests, you can add your channel name, or you can add stickers. So I'm going to add something there. So I'm going to add a text right there. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to select, I'm going to say subscribe. All right, subscribe. I'm going to make that bold. I'm going to make it, I'm going to leave it in white. Then I'm going to go ahead and add background to it. Background. All right. And I'm going to make that red. All right. I'm going to make that red. Nice. So I can go ahead here and just scale it down a little bit. Like so. Come here, give it a rounded corner. You can just put it right here. Still shrink it down a little bit. Like so. And of course, adjust it from the beginning to the end so that it covers everything we have right there. All right, great. So we have this, all right, see it covered right there. So you see how pretty nice this is. It's looking very real. Very, very real, guys. Very real. Okay.